No, don't drink that. Did you know you're putting yourself in danger by consuming this? I'll show you right now why you shouldn't drink it. Look, I'll pour about 2 bottles into a pot and show you the danger you're facing. What we're doing here is not for you to drink hot Coca-Cola. It's much worse. I'll show you right now what it really is. What are you putting into your body? Take a good look. What will happen when this Coca-Cola starts boiling? It's an experiment I'm doing to demonstrate the risk you're taking. You'll be shocked when it starts boiling. Now, we turn on the stove and let the Coca-Cola start boiling. So pay close attention, you can see it's already boiling. Now you'll see what will start happening. People often don't know what they're consuming. What's really the composition of Coca-Cola? This drink has its chemistry. It's not really good for the human body. When you consume it, you feel your blood pressure rising. For people with diabetes, it's something very dangerous. Everyone knows this, and its sugar level is very high. It's a growing evil. Every time it does more harm, and sometimes we get used to consuming it. But when we realize the damage to our health, there's no turning back. Do you see that there was plenty of Coca-Cola and now it's disappearing and growing again? It had disappeared as if it had shrunk, and now it's rising. In just 2 bottles of Coca-Cola, we see all this sugar it contains. And it's not just sugar. There are also other chemical components there that are not good for the body. Look at what it's turning into. That's because of the chemicals combined with the sugar. Friends, just thinking that this is what we ingest, it's crazy. It's astonishing. With just 2 bottles of this drink, but it's not just with this one. The same will happen with other sodas too. My pot is no longer usable. I lost my pot to show you what you put into your body. So what I have to tell you is this. I really lost the container. This container is now useless. Instead, I saved you from this poison. Now the choice is yours. If you really want to keep drinking, it's tasty. I can't say it's not, but then see what you're putting into your body. Do you realize? I lost the pot, but I saved your life. What's more important? If you really want something good, have a chamomile tea, which is much healthier, a natural juice without sugar, or plenty of water, which is the best drink. Thank you for watching this tip until the end. I'd like you to rate this video from 1 to 10 to know if you liked it. If you made it this far, it's a sign that you're enjoying our tips, so write down your country or city below so I can send you a greeting in the next video. Thank you very much for watching until the end. Bye.